Now let's talk about Python versions backward compatibility. Python 3x is not an extension to Python 2x, and Python 3x is developed as a separate independent language. So the code developed in Python 2x, there is no guarantee that it will run on Python 3x. That is, backward compatibility is not there between Python 2x and 3x versions. So these are some of the major version releases. 0.9, which was released in 1991, 1.0 in 1994, 2.0 in 2000, and we call it as PY2K, and 3.0, which was released in 2008, and we call it as PY3K. So, for example, print function doesn't require parentheses in 3x, whereas it is mandatory in Python 2x versions. So print, you have to provide the parenthesis in case of 3x versions, and this parenthesis is optional in case of 2x versions. And also another example, long data type is there in Python 2x versions, whereas Python 3x doesn't support long data type, and everything is treated as integer in Python 3x versions. So backward compatibility is the disadvantage in Python, but the advantage is we can add new features quickly based on the current trending software requirements, because we are not required to worry about supporting older versions, that is older releases. And from 2020 onwards, there is no support for Python 2x. So from 2008 to 2020, that is approximately, they have given us around 12 years to convert existing Python 2x projects into Python 3x projects. And to see all the released versions, you can go to https://www.python.org doc versions. So if you go to this page, Python documentation by version, you can see all the releases and the release date as well, and the corresponding documentation. Alright, see you in the next video.